Open page number 130. He took him to his mother, and when she heard he was her son, she wept for joy. But when he told her that he had become a master thief, tears of shame streamed from her eyes. In the end, she said, even if he is become a thief, he is my son, and my eyes have rejoiced in seeing him once again. They sat down at the table, and he once more ate with his parents the simple fare which he had not eaten for so long. The father said, when his grace the count up there at the castle learns who you are and what you do for a living, he won't take you in his arms but will have you swing on the gallows. Don't worry, father, he won't do that, for I know my profession. I will go to him myself this very day. The difficult word meaning of these paragraphs are streamed, सिलसिला बन जाना, rejoice खुशी हुई, gallows फांसी देना, profession पेशा, count lord यानी बादशाह. In this paragraph, they are discussing that the father was have fear that if Count come to know about his son that he is a thief, he may be swing on the gallows, and it will be difficult and painful for them. Come to the next paragraph. As evening drew near, the master thief got into his coach and drove to the castle. The count received him with courtesy, for he took him for a noble man. However, when the stranger made himself known to him, the older man turned pale and was silent for some time. At last he said, I will temper justice with mercy and will treat you with forbearance since. The difficult meaning of this paragraph is forbearance, rawadari, temper, gussa, justice, insaf, nobleman, rais, courtesy, bashukriya. In this paragraph, when he went to castle, the old man who was standing on the gate just take introduction of him. Come to the next paragraph. You boast you are a master thief. I will put your art to the test. If you can't prove your skill, you will be punished. Your grace, answered the master thief. Think of a trick as difficult as you possibly can, and if I don't fulfill the task, do with me as you think fit. The count reflected for a few moments and then said, well, very well, you shall steal my favorite horse from the stable. Take due note of this, for your neck is at stake. In this paragraph, the grace, the Lord give him a task to do, and he won't confirm that he is a master thief because he was much confident about his skills. The difficult meaning was boost, घमंड, स्टेबल, अस्तबल जहाँ पे घोड़े बांधे जाते हैं, punished, सजा देना, difficult, मुश्किल. Come to the next paragraph. The master thief repaired to the neighboring town. There he bought clothes from an old peasant woman and put them on. Then he colored his face brown and painted in wrinkles that made him look so old that no one would have recognized him. Finally, he filled a little thermos with hot tea and mixed a strong sleeping draughts in it. He put the thermos in a kettle which he carried in his hands. In this paragraph, they are telling us the preparation of the task which he was going to do it. and the difficult words meanings are the neighboring, town, पड़ोसी, कस्बा, bought, खरीदना, put them on means पहनना, wrinkles, झुर्रियाँ, recognized, पहचानना, thermos, teapot, sleeping draught, सोने की गोलियां या नशा आवर गोलियां. Do reading of this page again and again and send your video on our given WhatsApp number. Thank you.